time to get up. We're going to the airport today.
Good morning, sweetie. It's still early. Let me just wake up a bit.
Come on, Mom. We're going on a plane. We need to hurry.
All right. I'm up. Let's get ready for the adventure.
Good morning. Is everyone ready to go?
Almost. Where's my backpack?
Here you go, son. Grab your bag and let's get going.
I'm gonna sit by the window in the taxi. I love looking out at the city.
Good morning. Where are we headed today?
We're going to the airport. First flight for our son.
He's so excited.
Sounds fun. I'll get you there safely.
Look at the city. It's so big. I can't wait to get on the plane. I've never been on one before.
It's gonna be amazing, sweetie. You'll love it.
Me.
Look, there's the airport. We're almost there.
Yay! We're here! Look at all the people!
All right, let's go inside and get our tickets.
Stay close, sweetie. We don't want to lose anyone in this big crowd. Good morning. May I see your passports and tickets, please? Here are our passports, officer. Everything looks great. You're all set. Enjoy your trip.
Yay! We're going on the airplane now! Security? What's that?
It's just a place where they check our bags and make sure we don't have anything dangerous.
Like toys?
That's fine. Cars are safe.
Good. I don't want to leave my car behind. Look! There's the airplane! It's so big!
Yep, that's the one we'll be flying on. Isn't it cool?
I can't wait to sit inside. I want the window seat.
Don't worry, we'll make sure you get a good seat.
Thanks, Dad. I want to see the clouds.
Good morning. Where are you flying today? We're flying to San Francisco. Everything looks good. Have a safe flight.
Yay! We're going to San Francisco! Ho-ho! Whoa! Look at the wings! They're so big!
Hang on, buddy. We're about to take off.
Look, Mom! The cars are getting smaller. We're in the sky.
You're right. We're flying now.
Pretty cool, huh? Look at all the clouds.
The clouds look like cotton candy. Can I eat one?
Maybe when we get to our destination, buddy.
Good afternoon. Would you like some lunch?
We'll take chicken, please.
I see the ground. We're almost there.
We're landing soon, sweetie. Get ready.
I see the runway. We're landing. We did it! We're here! Yay! Hey, let's go see the monkeys.
We'll see them soon. But first, let's get our luggage.
It's just beginning, buddy. Let's go find the car.
The family steps outside into the warm, welcoming air. Their journey just beginning. More exciting adventures are coming soon. Subscribe now to continue this journey with us.